Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Question number 1. In a cricket match, batswoman hits a boundary 6 times. So that 6 times hits the boundary. Hits boundary is equal to 6 times. And play balls is equal to, that is 30. So that not hit boundary is equal to, subtraction of that will be 24. And then find the probability that not hit the boundary. We need to find the probability of not hit the boundary. So probability of experiment is equal to, that will be 24 upon 30. By the cancellation of that will 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 4 upon 5. That is the answer. Second question. Table is given there. Compute the probability of the family chosen at random. So that is, first part is 2 girls. So that probability is equal to, that 2 girls, how many students are there? 475 and total families are there, already here given 1500. So by the cancellation that will be your answer. By the cancellation that will be 19 upon 60. 19 upon 60. Okay. And then one girl. Second part is one girl. That is, probability of experiment is equal to, one girl family are there 814 upon total. That is, by the cancellation that will be 407 upon, that will be 750. 407 upon 750. And then third part, that is no girl means zero girl. So zero girl family are there 211 upon, that is 1500. That will be not cancelled, so that will be the answer. Refer question, you can see that. And then fourth question, that is the find the probability of two head. So that fourth question is that probability of experiment is equal to 2 head. See the table, 2 head is 72 and then total is 200. So by the cancel of 8 9 ja 72, 8 9 ja 72 or 8 2 ja 16, 4, 8 5 ja 40. So that is 9 upon 25. That will be 9 upon 25. So that fifth question, an organization of 2400 family in the random survey that them to determine a relationship between that one soever. So information is given in your table. So that find the first probability, that will be probability of event, and then 10,000 to 13,000 of 2 vehicle, actually 2 vehicle, that is 29 and then total is 2400. Okay. And then second part is saying earning 16,000 more per month and owning exactly one vehicle. 60,000 or owning one vehicle, that is the 579 upon, that is 2400. That will be cancelled. It can be cancelled or you can leave that also. Third part, Third part is that earning less than 7,000 per month, that is not owning any vehicle, less than, that is a 10. Probability is equal to, that is a 10 upon 2400. This can be easily cancelled, so we can cancel 240, that will be the, sorry, 1 upon 240, that will be. And then last part is that, sorry, fourth part, earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month, owning not more than 2 vehicle, not more than 2 vehicle. So that will be 13 to 16, not more than 2 vehicle, that is probability of event is equal to, that number will be, and so that again earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning not more than 2 vehicle, those have not more than 2 vehicle, we will take only, so that 469 plus, that will be 13 to 16 upon 2400, so that 9 to 11, that is 74 upon 2406. So by the cancellation of that will be, just wait, that by the cancellation of that, just wait, see here, on here is a very less space. That probability, fourth part, that probability is equal to, that is earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month, owning more than 2 vehicle, sorry, on the more than 2 vehicle, we are taking the on the more than 2 vehicles, so that is 25 upon, that is 2400. By the cancellation of that one, that will be 5 5 ja, 5 4 ja, 5 8 ja, and then again by 5 1 ja, 5 9 ja, 5 6 ja, that will be 1 upon 96. And then fifth part, owning not more than 1 vehicle, so that probability will be, you will be take the whole number, that will be 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus, that will be 160 plus, and then 305 plus, that will be 535 plus 469 plus 579 upon, that will be 2400. And then after adding of that thing, after the adding of that thing, that will be 1031 upon 2400, that will be the answer. And then sixth question is a refer question, you can see from your book. Seventh question, the table is given that first part is like statistics, so that probability is equal to, like statistics means 135 upon total is, that given the 200, by the cancellation of 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35, 5 4 ja 20, that is 27 upon 40. And then second part is that not like, does not like it, so that probability is equal to, that does not like it, that 65 upon 200, so that 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, 5 40 ja, that is 13 upon 40. And then that eighth question is a refer question, 9th, 10th is an activity type of question. So that 11th question you will see that now. 11th question is that 11th question that probability is equal to, find the probability that the any 3 bags chosen at the random and these bags chosen at the random contain more than 5 kg of bag, more than 5 kg of bag. So that more than 5 kg bag is there 7 and then total bags are 11, that is 7 and 11 total bags are there, that 11 is there. Okay, and then other 2 questions 12 and 13, that is also that is a wrapper type of question, or that is a activity type of question. So you will be see that one. Okay.